how funds raised should be spent on sports activities in the school. There are a total of 15 athletic council members, 9 males, 6 females. The subcommittee must consist of exactly 3 females. So let's just scroll through some important information. Subcommittee must have 7 council members. We're starting with 9 males and 6 females that we can choose from, but the subcommittee must have exactly 3 females. So for the subcommittee, it doesn't matter that I pick Ryan, Josie, and then Hannah, for example? Or could I have picked Hannah, Josie, and then Ryan? Order doesn't matter, right? So we can use combinations. First question, we have to determine the number of ways of selecting the females. How many females did we start with? 6. Okay, so we have 6 females. We are going to choose 3 of them. Exactly 3 of them. So for those of you who weren't here yesterday, I'll just remind you how to use your combination key on your calculator. So first you would go 6, math, over to PRB, number 3, and then 3. So that's 6, choose 3. Do you want me to do the steps again?
Uh-oh. No, I'm good. What did you say?
So 6, and then go math, over to PRB at the top.
Oh, I clicked the wrong button. It's all good. I got
And then
it.
number 3, and it's
I
6,
have the R
choose
and
2.
norm thing. I don't know what that is, but that's not right.
Alright, so we get 20.
I clicked 6 instead of 3. Shouldn't do that.
Okay, the number of ways of selecting the males. How many males do we have to choose from? 9. If we have exactly 3 females, the council has to have exactly 3. How many people left are going to be in that subcommittee? 4, because we need 7, right? So 9, choose 4. There's 9 males, okay, and 6 females. We've already used exactly 3 females. So if the subcommittee is 7 people, we need 4 more people, which happen to be males. Okay, so 9, choose 4. 126. Okay, now for the subcommittee, overall, basically we're going to take the number of ways for exactly 3 females and multiply by the number of ways to get the males. So we have 6, choose 3, multiplied by 9, choose 4. What do we get? 2,520. Now Bruce, the football coach, he must be on the subcommittee. Not this Bruce.
No.
So for Bruce, if I'm talking about combinations, there's 1 Bruce. I'm going to choose Bruce. It's going to equal 1. You don't even need to put that really, okay? You could just put, there's only 1 possible way you can pick Bruce. Bruce, you're on the team.
Yes.
Okay? We're going to multiply that by having exactly 3 females. So there's 6 females to choose from. We're going to choose 3 of them. And if Bruce was one of the males and he's already on the subcommittee, that means there's only 8 males left to choose from. And right now we have Bruce and 3 girls, as we've used up 4 people. So there's only 3 left to choose from. So we multiply that through, and we get 1,120. Basically, Bruce doesn't matter. Bruce is like, there's only one way we can, sorry Bruce, you do matter. But there's only one way we can choose Bruce. So it's just one
So you
time.
minus the boy on that.
Exactly. So we've already used 1 boy. There's only 8 left to choose from, and we need to choose 3.
Subtract.
You're kind of losing my knowledge.
Cool. Alright, do we have any card players out there?
Just
Any card players?
I play cards.
Yeah?
you?
So we know that there's
My family plays
52 cards in
all
a
the
deck.
time.
And we know that there's 4 suits, diamonds, hearts, clubs, and spades.
More ways to lose.
Each suit has 13 cards. We have 2 suits which are black, 2 suits which are red, so that makes up 26 cards and 26 cards. Okay, and face cards are considered jack, queens, kings. We don't include aces. Okay, how about some poker players out there? Yeah? Nice. Okay, so you gotta help out if some people need a bit of an explanation. So basically in poker, you need to create a 5-hand card. Or 5-card hand. Sorry. Okay, it's a combination of 2 of the cards that are in your hand with any of the 3 that is dealt in the middle. Ignore that, you just need to create a 5-card hand that's the best, better than your opponent's. So, you guys must be getting excited about playing poker. If we have time, maybe we can, but I don't think we'll have time, sorry. Alright, so how many different 5-card poker hands are possible? Well, there's 52 cards in a deck. And of those 52 cards, we need to make the 5 best. So 52, choose 5. There's a lot of possible different hands. We could have 2,598,960 different hand combinations.
Wow.
So you can see why the game is so complex. So if you're a card counter and can somehow figure out how to rig the game, you must be pretty smart.
Yeah.
You lost though.
You a card counter over there? Alright, let's carry on. So in how many of the hands will there be all diamonds? How many diamonds in a deck? 13. And we need to make a 5-card hand, so it's 13, choose 5. Okay, that's because there's 13 diamonds in a deck of cards. So just a little help with 13, choose 5. Thank you. Good job. Okay, guys. So next scenario, 4 cards are black and 1 card is red. Okay, how many black cards?
13.
We have 26 black cards because there's spades and clubs. Okay, so 26, choose 4. So they're telling us 4 black cards. And we're going to multiply by how many red? Well, there's 26 red cards. We're going to choose 1 of them. So just multiply those 2 combinations together. You should get 388,700. You guys practicing calculating? Next scenario, we need 3 kings, 2 queens. So let's look at if we had kings. How many kings in a deck?
4.
Out of those 4, we're going to choose 3 of them. Okay, and for the queens, there's 4 in a deck, we're going to choose 2 of them. So multiplying those combinations, I didn't calculate that, so we can do that together. If you guys get it, just shout it out.
24.
24?
Please stop.
Alright, next scenario, we need 3 kings. So for the three kings, there's gonna be 4, choose 3. But a poker hand consists of 5 cards. So we have to look at the non-kings as well. How many non-kings in a deck of cards? 52 minus 4, we got 48. Okay, we've already chosen 3 cards, so we need 2 more to make a 5-card hand. Multiply that, you should get 4,512. Right, 4 aces. Well, there's 4 aces in a deck. We're going to choose all 4 of them.
It's a good hand.
Yeah, that's a great hand. How many cards are left? 48. How many more do I need? Just 1. You should have 48 different ways.
Oh, just got it. I can't handle it.
So in poker, a flush is when you have 5 cards all of the same suit. So what if we started with hearts? How many hearts do we have? 13. We're going to choose 5.